Oh, I better check my serious shit. How much room I got. That's one thing about the video is you'll find that they can use a lot of space. Okay, I got 23 gig yet. That hard drive is one terabyte, and it gets full in about a week or two, maybe. I don't know. It doesn't take long. It doesn't seem like. But this is the CapCut. This right here, CapCut. Downloaded it from the Microsoft Store, which is right here. Just did a search for CapCut. When you open it up, you might have to do a few more things than what I've done, and you probably won't have any of this here. But once you get it open to this part, you just create project, and then you got your import here. The import is you're going to look for the video wherever you've got it. If you've got a search, you'll find it. You know how to do this stuff. So let's see. I am going to import all of these. And then when you get that, it gets to here. Now that one's 2 hours long. I'm gonna right click on here and sort it by date, latest to earliest, earliest to late, time created. There we go. And now, if I'm not mistaken, this one was first. And this one was last. Yeah, I can see I got them named already. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, and Part 4. So, this one is 54 minutes long, 2 hours, and 1 minute long, 30 minutes long, and 28 minutes long. And to use it, the easiest, you just grab one, drag it down to that line. If you want to put a cover on it, which is a good idea to do, if you want to put a cover, you click on it. Okay, CapCut.exe. Windows Firewall blocks some features of CapCut on public and private networks. All public and private networks to access this app. No, cancel that. I don't think I need any other access other than what I've got. So, okay, and then we're going to edit the picture. Get rid of that. Okay, now this is going to be the cover page. Might want to do something more with it. You can fish around. You can do text. Let's try something, I guess. Avocado. And then you click in there. And type in whatever. Holy crap. Okay, now this is too big. It's covering my face and stuff, so I would want to look over here for stuff, I guess. Design. I don't want basic, I don't think. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. We'll go italic. Alignment center, and then line spacing, word spacing, background, shadow, stroke. Click there to get a different color for the outline. And blue. Okay, I want a different font. We got a lot of fonts, holy crud. Tahoma. They have that one. Oh, you'll get the gist of that. Don't want to make this a super long video. I'll just go back up to the top and pick one out. Drive. Okay. And then what is this? This must be, yeah, this one here is the size. So I would want to go to like a 20. Well, they don't have a 20, but I'll go 21. That puts it above my head. Then I can close that, and then I can save it. And now that is gonna pop up at the very beginning of the video. And now I can edit that part because I don't want that in there. You can just click play. And I don't have this speaker turned up. This button here will make this is the video, and you can make it frame by frame pretty much just by sliding this bar. It makes it easier to pick out what you're editing. Like if you want to just, okay, right there I want to go just a moment longer. But you can see it's playing, and I just don't want any of that stuff at the beginning. I started recording before I started playing, so I know, because I've already watched the video, that I say stuff in here that I don't want in here. Okay, I can stop it there, and then I can click this split control, and it split the video right there. So now I can just click on that, right click, and then delete, and it deletes it, and then you gotta drag the bar back to it, and now this is where the video is going to start. Okay, yeah, now I heard sound. Okay, yeah, this is some more stuff I want to edit out. I want to start it after I hear myself talking. I know that about this video because I've already started editing it with 365, but it wouldn't let me. Well, guys, here we go. Just testing some settings I changed on. Pause it and then drag it back again. Well, guys, and if you want to get real technical about it, you just make that bigger and then go down to this little bar here and drag that around to get to where you want it, but now it'll go closer to frame. Well, guys, see, now I can see it was like right here when it started talking, so I can get it to start right there. Okay, I didn't hear myself, so I'm going to cut it right there, and I'm going to do the same thing. Just right click and delete it, and then drag it back again. And now it'll start right where I'm talking. Just testing some settings I changed on the PNW map on Nitro. This is an A-pop server, Cujo's Playground. I think I'll be changing the name from Cujo's Playground to pause. Go back. I think I'll be changing Cujo's Playground. Okay, cut. Cujo's Playground to Cujo's. I've already renamed it, so I don't need to have any of that in there. Drag it back to the split, just a bit before the split. Mad Ass House, or hippie house, maybe. Something. I think I will be changing the name though, because I do have another server that's running the same map, minus a mod or two, added a mod or two, and it has a bunch of different settings. Basically the same as far as AI and things like that go. But I am testing some numbers on this one before trying to mess with the other one. So that's what this video is about. Trying to mess with the other one. Testing some numbers. But I am testing some. I am well, guys, just testing some settings I changed on the PNW map on Nitro. This is an A-pop server, Cujo's Playground. Testing. Now this is where I wanted to add text. I want it to not lose the video. I don't want to split in it. I want the video overlaid on here. And it's very helpful. The other one was really, I couldn't find a way to get it to do it the way I wanted it to. It overlaid it, but it was so dark it covered the picture, and then I couldn't read the damn words, and I tried adjusting font style, and colors weren't available, and it was just all kinds of hell. So I've already tested this a little bit, or played with it a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to go default text for now. And that puts this little bubble here. This little bubble you can stretch out. Grab a hold of it and stretch out. That's how long it'll stay on the video. So that you'll get used to that just by rewatching it. And then to edit the text, we got default text right there, and I want now it's too big for here, but that is another setting. And this is kind of a joke, but I did actually name it this. It's PvP is player versus player, which means when somebody joins a server, you're out to kill the other player. You're not there to play the game and build and be friendly. You actually get on there and set out to shoot other people. Kind of a mean thing, but anyway, it's an inside joke for another person that's playing the game. Okay, so now that we got that set, if I want to move this, it's a matter of finding that move button. That's not giving me instructions. There we go. Just grab it in the center, I guess. Okay, so I want it towards the top. And you can play with these to get that to look really fancy, different colors, whatever you want to do with it. Italic. Color, custom colors I know is in there too somewhere. Oh, right here you can slide that around, but you can do stuff like that, and that would be beneficial in your videos when the wind is really high and you can't hear it. I tried downloading your video, one of them, the one I commented on about editor or about sound and stuff, and that would be one where when they can't quite hear what you're saying, you can type it in so that people can hear it or read it and hear you at the same time, and it's pretty neat. Once you get your video downloaded, if you set your system up so you can record, you can also do what I'm doing right now. You can be watching your video and just talking. You don't have to do any editing to it at all. Just record it. Just play the video and record your voice. Start your recording up and record on screen the video that's playing with your mic in use on it, so that now I'm actually watching a video that I played and editing it and talking, and you can hear me talking while you can still hear me talking in the video, which is pretty cool. Okay, and then if I just go back to here, I can actually click play and go full screen. I think one of these is full screen. There we go. And this is what people would see. So that's what this video is about. I was going to go into God mode, but instead, if I die, I will just teleport back. And that is a... And then to exit that, it's escape. And then you get back to here again and go back to your editing. You can do some really cool editing with the text effects. You can, if you click on the art stuff here, it's probably going to ask you to join or pay an annual amount or a monthly amount. And if I'm not mistaken, when I did the art, I had to go in and undo it because when I went to export it, it said that I was using art, and they wanted me to subscribe or pay, I guess, basically. And it said $179 a year, $19.95 a month or something like that. So I opted out of that and just went back in and hit the no art button at the top of it. But there is a curve effect somewhere. Let me take this back. See, it brings the text up. Oh, okay, here we go, bubble. Oh, you can put bubbles in there. You can use these basic designs. I did use one of them, and then I went over here to the effects, and I clicked on art. That's what caused that subscription thing to pop up when I went to export it, and then I had to come back in here and just check that mark. Check that. I don't want no art. The bubbles was okay though, that I didn't have to take out. But the basic, I'll have to find it. There is a curve pattern, so you don't have to stay. But if you just play with the stuff on there... Oh, here we go. Curve. So you can add different effects to it. I think I'll get rid of that though. Oh, here's the strength. So yeah, that's something you can do. Okay. It's a matter of finding something that actually shows up with all the different background colors. White actually looks like it's gonna show up the best for me on this one anyway. It doesn't matter. This one is getting edited again. But then, like, when you're done, you can see it's got the time up here, how long it's going to play and stuff. So I'm just going to cut it right here. And this is CapCut. So it is fairly easy. You just click around on stuff and play with it until you get it figured out. They do have videos. If you look up on YouTube using CapCut, you'll find something that'll help describe the stuff that's in there and get you a better idea of it. But I just thought I'd make this short so that you can have an idea of what's going on. It's actually going to be longer than needed, but I'm going to cut that right there and delete it, delete the end of it, and then I'm going to have to export it. Now see, what I'm exporting isn't going to have my voice on it. I'm going to actually have to open up the one that I'm creating while I'm doing this is going to be in my recorder. My recorder's been going, you can see, for 26 minutes and 52 seconds. So that's the video that's going to have my voice and all this crap on there. But I will export this quick and show you what it. Right now it's exporting it.
Changed on the PNW
generating
map on Nitro.
And if you want, you can have it upload right away too, but I don't use this stuff. I just go right to where it's at
before trying to mess with the other one. Well, guys,
you can click share once you get it set up and done. It'll just go right to where you want it to.
Map on Nitro. I will. This is an 8-pop server, Cujo's Playground. Testing some numbers on this one before trying to mess with the other one. So that's what this video is about. I was going to go into God mode,
and it's done already.
If I die,
so I will
just
exported. Okay, now I'm going to just cancel that, and where this actually gets exported to, you can change it in settings somewhere on here. I haven't investigated it yet, but Dan had told me that he did already. And where you find it at, to start off with, is in your main drive. You go to users. Then my name, or your name it would be, and then app data, and then local, and in there you will find CapCut, and then you would go to your videos, and your video is going to be this one, because I didn't go in and I didn't name it for when you're exporting it, you can name it. I did not show you that where you can do that. You'll find it though, I'm sure. Okay, now there's the cover that it'll have, and this is the video. And then I can actually just open that right now, and this will be the actual video.
Just testing some settings I changed on the PNW map on Nitro. This is an 8-pop server, Cujo's Playground. Testing some numbers on this one. Well, guys, just testing testing some numbers on
there.
this
You
one.
see, now it popped up.
Before trying to mess with the other one. So that's what this video is about. I was going to go into God mode, but instead, if I die, I will just, and then that's the cover picture. And you do it, do anything you want with that. But now that's where that is, so I could do whatever I wanted with that. But being as I'm recording, I also have all of that in working on that. Unknown, I think, maybe. Oh, right there it is. Oh no, I haven't ended the recording, so it's not gonna stop. Okay, I'm gonna end it right now, and then put it up on YouTube and then give you a link to it.